Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I would like to share with you 3 doors that I created for my Betty Boop DIY creation. And I used a Diskette case for this door. Now many of you might not know what a Diskette is, depending on your age, because if you're pretty young, like in your 20s, you probably never heard of a diskette. But before the flash drives, we used to have diskettes and floppy drives. So the diskettes were squared and they were stored in these cases here. So I am using the green one. I was going to use this one. I created this door effect initially, but I decided not to use this one, and this is the one that I'm going to use. And I also added some of that Dollar Tree removable tile, and I cut it to fit each door. Now I added some hardware to it. The handles that you see there are from this picture hanging kit. All these pieces here are hooks, and I've used them here upside down so they look like handles to the door. So these doors are going to go up here on top, just like this. This is going to be the middle door, and the other 2 are going on the sides. Underneath this door is going to be the balcony floor. So just pretend that my hand is the balcony and Betty Boop is standing on it. So the balcony idea will be next, so stay tuned for that. But I am creating 2 different floors here. So it's going to be the first floor and the second floor. The second floor is for this door and the balcony, for all the doors and this balcony. So this is part of the case. I had to cut it. I mean, it's a tough plastic, but I was just surprised that with the scissors I was able to cut the other part of it, and it just worked out. So stay tuned, because I will be back with the balcony idea for you, and thank you so much.